Are you looking to make money online? Look no further than AI-powered tools. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you an exciting topic, how to make money online with AI-powered tools. With advancements in technology, artificial intelligence has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and individuals looking to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. So, let's dive in and explore how you can leverage AI-powered tools to make money online. First, let's start with a quick introduction to AI-powered tools. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. AI-powered tools utilize algorithms and machine learning to automate processes, analyze data, and provide intelligent insights. These tools have revolutionized various industries and can be harnessed to create online income streams. One popular way to make money online with AI-powered tools is through content creation. AI can assist in generating high-quality articles, blog posts, or social media captions. You can utilize AI-powered writing platforms to quickly create engaging content, saving you time and effort. These tools can be particularly useful for content marketers, bloggers, or social media influencers looking to scale their output and attract a larger audience. Another lucrative avenue is AI-driven e-commerce. AI-powered tools can optimize product recommendations, personalize user experiences, and enhance customer service. With these tools, you can automate inventory management, streamline order fulfillment, and improve overall customer satisfaction. Additionally, AI can help analyze market trends, competitor data, and consumer behavior, giving you a competitive edge in the e-commerce space. Digital marketing is an essential aspect of any online business, and AI-powered tools can significantly impact its success. AI can assist in automating advertising campaigns, optimizing ad placements, and analyzing user data to improve targeting. By harnessing the power of AI, you can enhance your digital marketing strategies, drive more traffic to your website or online store, and increase conversions. For those interested in finance and investments, AI-enabled trading and investing platforms can be a game changer. These tools use sophisticated algorithms and machine learning to analyze market data, identify patterns, and make data-driven investment decisions. AI-powered trading tools can help you automate trading strategies, manage risks, and potentially generate passive income in the financial markets. If you have skills in graphic design, video editing, or web development, AI-powered freelancing platforms can provide opportunities to monetize your expertise. These platforms leverage AI to match freelancers with relevant projects, automate project management, and enhance collaboration. By joining these platforms, you can gain exposure to a global client base and find new income streams. The online education industry has experienced significant growth, and AI has played a crucial role in enhancing learning experiences. AI-powered tools can provide personalized learning recommendations, adaptive assessments, and intelligent tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses, leveraging AI to improve course delivery and student engagement. In conclusion, the potential to make money online with AI-powered tools is vast and continually expanding. Whether you're a content creator, e-commerce entrepreneur, digital marketer, investor, freelancer, or educator, integrating AI into your online ventures can unlock new opportunities and help you stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. So, embrace the power of AI and start exploring the possibilities of generating income online today. Remember, AI is not just a buzzword, it can genuinely help you succeed in making money online. So if you're ready to take the leap, give these tools a try. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tips on making money online.